start off the vlog here. So Rachel just like drove 3 hours to Sydney.
Yes, I drove.
Oh, well, Nick drove Rachel 3 hours to Sydney. Tomorrow we are leaving for our girls trip to Cairns. And we're going to be going scuba diving, snorkeling, going to waterfalls. We're going to go to the beach and have like a cute little girls trip. Good morning. She literally wrote us a sign, y'all. Like, how cute is that? Okay, so welcome to our dorm. On the left, you have like our luggage storage and our lockers, and on the right, our bathroom is actually pretty nice for a hostel bathroom. This is a 6-person dorm, but they put an extra 7th bed because we can have up to 4 people in here with social distancing. That's the bed that I've taken. We have our own little balcony. That's our hostel tour. So this is the lagoon. It's like 5-6 o'clock, so it's currently raining. When we were eating lunch around like 2-3 o'clock, it was blistering hot, so we're just like walking through the town. The next block is our hostel, and there's a burger place like 1 more block inwards, so we're gonna go there for some dinner. I think we should cross. Jimmy, looks pretty cute in here, not gonna lie. Oh. So update, apparently no one has booked this room so far for the rest of the duration that we're here. So we have an entire 7-person dorm to ourselves. Basically tonight is Gilligans Got Talent night downstairs. We don't actually know if the events are going ahead because of COVID, so we were gonna check it out, but right now it's like it's 8:45, which in Sydney time is 9:45, and we're both literally grandmas and have jet lag over a 1 hour time difference, and we want to go to bed right now.
It's such a struggle.
Yeah, we're struggling to stay awake. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow morning we're going to be up at 6:30 so we can get ready for our snorkeling and scuba diving on our catamaran. Grab some breakfast. Good morning. It is day 2 in Cairns, and we just went to Woolies. I just grabbed like a sandwich and a yogurt and big water for breakfast. We're currently heading over to the marina because we're going on our catamaran cruise to the Great Barrier Reef and going scuba diving. I'm so excited. The buildings are so pretty in Cairns, by the way. Like, I'm obsessed with it. So fancy. This is our boat. Hey guys, so we are currently on our catamaran, as you can see we've got the nets over here. We We are about to go scuba diving on the Great Barrier Reef. I can't believe we're actually doing this. Like, it is so exciting. Freaking dream come true. So this is our boat. We've got the sails up and we're on our way to Apollo Reef. That's Green Island down there. Great Barrier Reef. It was so fun. It was insane. And then we went snorkeling after lunch at another location and we saw a big stingray. Relaxing time for the guys, we got back from our snorkeling and we were so tired and we literally came straight to our pool. And this is literally our hostel. So we're going to go for dinner after our swim at an Italian restaurant. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this like dress that I got from like a boutique. I'm just wearing like some sandals. I have blisters already from my thongs. We are heading over for dinner. It's a really cute place. Thing burger, like a restaurant.
Maybe I'm just photogenic.
Yeah, so photogenic. Smile. This place is so cute. We ate there yesterday. It was really good. This is the main street. I forget that's your amazed. Good morning. Good morning. We are on our way to breakfast. We're going to go across the road to Pantry 15 again and get out a sable. So today we're going to kind of just walk around the shops for a bit and then we're going to go to the beach towards midday with Ange. Breakfast just came out. Got acai bowls. We're in this like cute little boutique at the moment and we're just doing some shopping. On myself. We just did some shopping at a boutique and now we're heading to Cairns Central. telling you, this is so gorgeous up here. Amazing. So we're going to swim down there in the nets because we don't want to be eaten by aggressive saltwater crocodiles. We love... So the freshwater ones are the non-aggressive, right?
Yeah.
So we may die. We may die today, guys. The annoying child on the back seat. The resorts are literally so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. See what I mean? The annoying child on the back seat. So this is where we got our lunch. Actually, so pretty here. We're eating our leftovers for dinner. Okay, got it. Yay!
Demise.
Okay.
Demis. Demis here.
Demis. So it's this is literally 11 o'clock. What are you playing board games for? Guys, I'm not even kidding. We left the club to play board games. Like we were in there for 20 minutes. Good morning, guys. It is day 4, I believe. We are going on a waterfall tour today, so we're going to be checking out Millaa Millaa Falls, Babinda Boulders, Josephine Falls. We're going to a pub at Malanda, and we're going to see the big tree roots and platypus viewing. So we're very excited for that. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 7:36 at the moment, by the way, so we got to be out of here maybe in like 5ish minutes to get ready for our tour. So. Here's our bus.
Yeah, we're going for a rainforest walk for about 700 metres.
Hi guys, so we are currently at Babinda Boulders, which is the Devil's Pools. Our tour guide just gave us like a... Oh, there's a peacock! Do not move, peacock, stay there. So this is the area that we can swim in, I'm pretty sure. And there's a gorgeous little peacock. So our tour guide was telling us about a Dreamtime story about this area. Hey puppy! Hello! But it's not at all. So we're about to do the Devil's Pool walk. Rachel's just back there. Got our matching white bucket hat. And our new friend Josie. Hi! Me and Rachel only brought sneakers, so now we're bushwalking barefoot because we forgot to bring thongs. So about to do 700-meter walk to Josephine Falls now.
put a boundary line as someone like this. So this is my river. I'm from here. I'm a rainforest person. This is my other boundary. For me, I walk around like this. I tell all women that I've got 3 kids, which makes me uncle. If I paint George like this, he's a warrior.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Zinc, iron, minerals. Beautiful. We paint her up.
We're at Lake Eacham. This is basically a volcanic crater that is now filled with water. It's about 72 meters deep is what our tour guide said, and there is a crocodile that has been living here about 30 years and no one knows how he's gotten up here into the tablelands because the tropics are common for crocs but they don't come up this high, and yeah, he's basically just living up in this massive lake on his own. I'm getting the cannelloni and then we're going to get a garlic pizza with mozzarella first. Good, thanks. How are you?
Good. Garlic pizza?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yummy. Get some bread! So we've walked all the way to the night markets. We're gonna check it out. We just had dinner, we're really full, but we're just gonna see what they're eating. It's our last day in Cairns. We're very sad. So last night we basically, after our tour, went down to the Marina and went for dinner there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it was like all really fancy places, like really expensive, but we thought treat ourselves, it's our last day here, let's enjoy it. So yeah, we went and had dinner. Yeah, that was pretty much our night. I went out to Gilligans for a bit, made some friends down there, so that was fun. And today's our last day. We've got our flight at 3:50, so we're gonna be around here till maybe like 1:52ish before we head out. So we're just gonna enjoy shopping today and we're gonna go grab some breakfast by the Esplanade. But I definitely think I want to come back here because I want to do the Daintree and I want to do whitewater rafting and I want to see Fitzroy Island and see like the turtle sanctuary there. Yeah, and Green Island as well. But there's just so much to do.
I'll go 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, to do like all the big, or even like a week of like a full week, and then like have your flights on the other days, just to be able to fit in like the main big touristic stuff. But then there's also the croc park. I'd want to see that. Then there's the aquarium here, and you get to dine with the fish like under the aquarium. So there's so much to do here. Like I would definitely come back. And we've only just seen like the tip of the iceberg of Cairns. Can't wait to come back here. It's been an amazing holiday.
We want to do.
Yeah, so like go up to Daintree and then go to Port Douglas. Honestly, just so much you can do up here, and it's just so amazing. Like the weather's great. We were swimming in a crater yesterday. We thought because we were so high up in the mountains it would be cold, and it was actually so refreshing.
The water was so warm.
Swimming so many waterfalls. It's just cool to be able to say that you swam in a volcanic crater with a crocodile.
Who else can say that?
Exactly, like just some crazy experiences up here. I would literally do the same things again though, because we wanted to see the croc in the lake, so I wouldn't mind coming back and like trying to spot the croc. I wouldn't mind doing the Great Barrier Reef over and over and over again, because there's just so much marine life and we didn't get to see all of it. We want to still see like the sharks and the turtles. I would definitely do it all again, just for the sake of experiencing everything one more time. But it's been incredible, and I'm so glad I got to do my best friend. Yay! So we're gonna go get breakfast now. I'll keep you guys updated what we end up doing today, but probably just gonna have a chill day until we have to catch our Uber to the airport. So I just had a cafe called Fridays for breakfast, and I got a coconut milk mango smoothie, and I've also got eggs and avocado on toast on its way. Cairns Airport, so sad. Back in Sydney. We landed yesterday at like 7:50 I think, and we were just really tired after our flight and just came home, so we didn't really like vlog. We're back in Sydney and Rachel's leaving back for Canberra today. Who knows when I'll see her next, because the COVID pandemic has spread around Sydney yet again. That was the end of our trip. Such an amazing time. Like, I'm so glad I got to do it with you.
I'm so glad too.
It was one of the most beautiful and amazing experiences I've ever had.
I think I just loved like floating in the water. It was just so warm and like so peaceful, even though there was like the little fear of crocodiles just like at the back of my brain. and jellyfish. Yeah, but it was just so peaceful.
What would you want to do if we ever went back to Cairns?
I'd love to see the Daintree, whitewater rafting. I just want to see more of the beaches, more of the culture. And I want to see the crocodiles, because we never saw any crocodiles.
It was just so amazing. Like, we learned so much about the Aboriginal culture in the area, which is so important because we don't actually learn enough about it. I feel like
like you learn about the dream kind of stories in school, but like as an adult, like it's so important.
And the fact that we went to Malanda Falls and we didn't actually swim there, because once we heard the cultural importance of the falls and how it's become now a public pool area for those local people, there's not really enough like culture, like
awareness.
Awareness for the sacredness of that site. So we all decided not to swim there and we just went to the cultural centre instead. But I just think the things that we learned were so important. Like, we have to always remember that like this land is Aboriginal land. As much as like we acknowledge it during assembly, there's not enough learning done to understand their culture. There's a lot of criticism. The culture this land is built on is beautiful culture. It was just an amazing thing to be able to go and see all these amazing waterfalls, the reef. There was so much life.
Definitely want to do the reef again, because we only saw Polar Reef and only some of it, so you could do it 100 times and you'd still not see enough of it.
There's over 3,000 reefs there, so we only got to see
back
one.
And then next time maybe we'll see turtles and sharks.
Yeah, 100%.
We'll definitely be back.
This is one of those towns where there's just an endless array of things to do. There's so much natural beauty there. I'm so glad we got to do this trip. But
me too. Have a look at our Instagrams for our favourite photos.
We'll like tag them down below.
We fit in so much in such a short trip. It's all just like a big blur now.
Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below for more travel videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're so lucky and grateful that we got to travel like when the travel bubble, it just opened up. And now it's most likely going to shut again, so I'm really glad we got to do it, and we got to do it safely and be able to experience tropical North Queensland before I'm now going to be stuck in Sydney for a while again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.